Greetings and happy Wednesday. I present to you Dr. Solomon Carter Fuller, the neuropsychiatrist, pathologist, the educator, and the activist. He was mainly known for being a key pioneer in the developed research of Alzheimer's disease, with Dr. Alois Alzheimer, the father of Alzheimer's disease. Dr. Fuller was born in Monrovia, Liberia in 1872 and left in 1889 when he attended Livingston College in Salisbury, North Carolina. After completing his undergrad in 1893, he began medical school at Long Island College Hospital in Brooklyn, New York for 1 year and became Dr. Fuller from Boston University School of Medicine in 1897. Prior to graduation, Dr. Fuller interned at Westboro State Hospital for the mentally ill, which sparked his interest in neurology, the study of the nervous system. Dr. Fuller's research at Westboro Hospital focused on the cells and tissue of the brain and its link to various brain diseases. His ultimate goal was to put a pathological reason behind to mental illness. After being hired at Westboro Hospital, Dr. Fuller continued his work of analyzing sliced brain matter under light, which he named photomicrographs. When Dr. Fuller wasn't in the lab, he taught as an instructor and lecturer at Boston University on the causes and treatments of nervous system diseases. In 1904, Dr. Fuller continued his education at the Psychiatric Clinic University of Munich in Germany with 9 other researchers, including Dr. Alzheimer himself. Together, the team studied brain degeneration in depth. Originally, Alzheimer's disease was said to be caused by hardening of the arteries, which decreases blood flow that's essential for nourishment and overall function. In the journal article, Alzheimer's Disease, Sanium Praeco, a report of a case and review of published cases by Alzheimer et al. 1912, researchers performed a collective case study that detailed the behaviors of individuals with Alzheimer's disease in relation to the brain's structural changes. Patients with advanced Alzheimer's disease displayed a variety of behaviors ranging from memory loss, slurred speech, spacing out, angry temperament, and more. After their passing, researchers confirmed that their external behaviors were directly linked with brain atrophy of certain lobes, which are responsible for how we process and respond to different things. Secondly, patients' brains produced a buildup of excessive proteins known as miliary plaque in the arteries, which block and damage the brain from properly functioning. This is also known as cerebral arteriosclerosis. To add on, ganglia neurons were described to weld together into thick fibers that cause disruption of neuronal signaling and response. If you're interested in learning more about their findings, check out the link in the caption below. For many years, Dr. Fuller had not been acknowledged for his contributions to the published research, mainly because he was Black. For those who may not know, the 1900s was a time where African Americans and/or Black people were constantly challenged when it came to integration, but that didn't stop them. In fact, Dr. Fuller pioneered the merge of European teachings into America to better understand the diagnoses, the causes, and the treatments of brain disease and abnormal behavior. He even published journals and wrote medical books on these topics that gained him membership of many organizations, including the infamous American Psychiatric Association and the American Medical Association. And he always uplifted the Black community by encouraging and mentoring African American doctors to go into the field. He even trained 4 Black medical school graduates in neuropsychiatry, where they all served the people at Tuskegee Veterans Administration Hospital. Thank you, Dr. Fuller, for spotlighting the brain and teaching us the many layers of this unique and powerful entity. Your contributions continue to open the doors for more, but it is you who planted the seed.